सरस्वती महाभागे विद्ये कमल लोचने विश्वरूपे विशालाक्षी विद्यादेहि नमोस्तुते. Friends, I am Colonel Pradeep Pindyala, Professor of Anesthesiology at Ashram Medical College, Eluru city of Andhra Pradesh, India. Friends, today I am going to talk about Saraswati, the goddess. Saraswati symbolizes creative energy and is considered the goddess of knowledge, music, art, wisdom, and learning. Friends, she is believed to bless people with the power of speech, wisdom, and learning. Devotees of Saraswati also seek blessings for spirituality, peace, and purity, and to excel in all aspects in life. Although Saraswati is known to bestow many blessings, let me talk about her other aspect. Saraswati is often portrayed as a beautiful, modest woman with 4 arms. The 2 front arms holding a book and a mala in another indicate her presence in the physical world, and the 2 back arms holding a lute called Veena signify her presence in the spiritual world. Friends, it is believed that Goddess Saraswati endows human beings with the powers of speech, wisdom, and learning. She has 4 hands, I have just mentioned, representing 4 aspects of human personality in learning, mind, intellect, alertness, and ego. Saraswati Vandana, which had started this video with, Vandana is a Sanskrit word meaning wisdom. And chanting the Saraswati Vandana mantra is believed to remove all the obstacles to success in one's education and career. Friends, Goddess Saraswati is imbued with all white. The color white signifies purity, true knowledge, and divine wisdom. Water on which her lotus seat is erected symbolizes perennial flow of knowledge. Hindu goddess Saraswati is known to be associated with knowledge, music, and arts. I always tell my friends and students that students are asked to worship Goddess Saraswati to invoke her blessings in order to excel in their studies. Saraswati is the goddess of wisdom, learning, arts, and career in Hinduism. She is the consort of Brahma, the creator. Saraswati is the goddess of knowledge, as you all know. Her other names are Mahabhadra, the supremely auspicious one; Mahamaya, the one which envelops the universe with illusion; Varaprada, the merciful one who gives boons. Friends, this is Saraswati, the goddess. Do worship her. She is depicted as a beautiful, fair goddess with 4 arms. Saraswati is the divine embodiment and bestower of enlightenment, eloquence, and inspiration, patroness of the arts. That is what is Saraswati. Thanks for patient listening. I am signing off for tonight. Until next time, bye bye.